appliances?
Yeah, just a moment. We know you're unique, and we don't just meet your taste in music or those crazy socks you wear.
Got a serious problem. We're getting this fixed today.
Back sleepers, side creepers, to upside down dreamers, we all have our thing. That's why when it comes to buying a new mattress, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all. At Leon,
It's just like a condom, one size fits all.
match you with your perfect
You're
mattress.
small.
From crib
Oh, I am.
to size,
Hung with a
firm,
fruit
plush,
bat.
or somewhere in between. Whether you're just starting out.
Appliances, how can I help you?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you, sir?
Pretty good. Well, actually, I'm not good at all. I bought a dishwasher about 6 months ago, and just doesn't seem to want to work anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, sir. You purchased it here.
Oh, that's where I met. Yeah, that's where I met it. Yep.
Okay. Now, have you contacted customer service?
Well, no, I haven't. I haven't contacted anybody. I thought that you might be able to help me with my problem.
I can do my best, but 6 months in,
You figure you know what it's doing, right?
I have some experience with that, not as much as a technician. But yeah, what's the issue?
It doesn't want to work. I come home and still dishes aren't cleaned.
Okay.
It just wants to run when it ever decides it wants to do something.
Okay.
It seems to be lipping off to me.
Right.
You know.
So when you set the time, you set the cycle, and then you press start, what happened?
I set everything where where it's supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to get done. This is how it is.
Yeah.
And still not listening. I've thrown stuff at it. I've hit it, kicked it.
Been there, sir. Been there loads of times. And it's important to me that I understand it's only been 6 months, and if I were in that situation, I would be very unhappy.
Oh, you're right, man. I'm a little.
I get that. Believe me, I get that, and I understand, how that looks on us as well as the brand. I get that. So that's why I want to help you as best I can. Now, that it's been 6 months. If it had been, a couple weeks.
In a nutshell, how do we make her go to work and make us some money?
In a nutshell, you are still under your 1-year warranty offered by the manufacturer. What is the brand on the?
So I gotta call the dishwasher's parents. That's pretty much what you're saying. I gotta call the makers of the dishwasher.
Yes. The customer service line there, you would be still under your 1-year warranty.
So that's what I tell them. I tell them that I have a 1-year warranty with my my dishwasher.
Yes. So what they'll ask is the model number and your serial number. And those are...
What if it was slightly used before I got it?
Where did you said you got it from us?
Yes. That's where I met the dishwasher, yeah.
What do you mean, it was a floor model, or?
Well, that's what I thought when I got it.
We don't do our dishes here at work, so I don't know what you mean it was used.
It's a long story, but I'll call the makers of the dishwasher.
Do you want me to get the number for you, or?
No, it's okay. I got the number already.
Okay, beautiful.
All right, buddy.
All right, well, best of luck there, sir.
Me too, bud.
Bye
Bye.
for now.
That's the dishwasher.
You should be trying to hit this page.